Hey friends, if you wish to fix the it's time to update your device notification on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now in this case, you are left with two options. One is to update your device, the other one is to ignore the notification and just move on. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right pane. This is my best suggestion. Do it immediately because what happens is that if you select advanced options, there are certain active hours. This may be set manually or automatically. In both of the cases, your system will not update during the active hours, and if you're working on a computer, most probably you would be in that time limit. So here's what you can do: just click on the check for updates option to update it. If not, then leave your computer on, go to system, go to power and battery. Expand this list for screen sleep and hibernate timeouts and change all of these timers to never, and leave your system on and let it update overnight if you can really not update it at that point of time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.